Hey guys, welcome back to how to build your own series or how to build your own website series. Now in this tutorial we're going to be actually working with Dreamweaver to start building our index page and adding a background image. So let's get started. I have my browser pointed here to my mock-up of what we're going to be building. As you can see, it's got the banner, footer, and the logo that we've created. Also my background here. So yeah, it looks very nice. Alright, so this is kind of what a mock-up is. Then also I have my folder to my site open. Okay, the reason why I have my folder to my site open is just so I can drag and get all these images that I've created and just drag them into my images folder here. Alright, we want that one, this one, and this one. Alright, just grab it and into my images. Alright, now they're saved there permanently. And then usually out of my root site, I usually like to make a new folder here and call it series, build. Then I usually say work files. Okay, this is where I usually save everything else that is related to my website. Alright, drag it in there. Alright, close that, we won't be needing that anymore. Open up Dreamweaver, and as you can see, Dreamweaver automatically knows that I inserted images into my images folder. And if you remember back in what was that, tutorial 4.3, that we actually went through Dreamweaver setting up this site. So first of all, you want to open up your index.html. Okay, and first you want to link a CSS style sheet, the one we already created. To do that, under your CSS styles, there is a little chain here, attached style sheet. Do that, browse for it, and mine is located under CSS and style.css. Okay, you want link, and if you would like to add a media, I'm just gonna hit all. Alright, now automatically Dreamweaver tells you that you linked a CSS file. Okay, I'm just gonna command save. Alright, now let's add a title, because I just like doing that just for sake of simplicity. Custom PC world. Alright, now let's get started on building. First, you want to enter your page properties, and this, click on anywhere actually. If you want, click on anywhere in the white area. Page properties brings you up this page properties. Okay, and under appearance CSS, you want to do background color, and our background color will be, let's see here, website work colors. Alright, background blue, control copy that. Alright, and in here pound, pound, command V. Alright, and also for background image, we want to browse for that background image that we built, and it should be stored in our images file folder under in our site root. So it's right there. Alright, you want to repeat this since we made it more long than wide. We want to repeat it Y. Okay, hit OK, and there we go. So far we have a background. Okay, now as you can see, just linked another style to our document. The reason why I did that, if you come into your code, automatically put another style right here. Okay, the CSS. Alright, now we don't want that. We want it actually in our CSS file, because even though it's that small amount of CSS, the more of CSS that's in your CSS file will allow the page to load faster in any type of browser. So to do this, in your CSS box, click on body, right click, and you can cut it, okay, cut it out, then select your CSS or style.css and paste it. Alright? You can delete the style because we no longer need it. Now also I would like to show you this simple thing here. If you preview in Firefox, save it all. Yes, save them all. Alright, you have a problem here. If you've noticed, our background image is kind of off-centered there, so we need to center it. Come into your CSS file. Alright, here's the CSS that we easily copied over, and right after the last line, hit enter again, and we're going to type in background, okay, hyphen, and actually Dreamweaver gives you some options here. We're just going to hit position, okay, and we want to center it, and then semicolon, okay. Make sure you have your body starts with curly brackets and ends with curly brackets. Alright. Command S. Alright, now we're going to preview that again. And as you can see, shows up perfectly centered. So there is that is exactly, or that's how to put your background in the center. So this is, let's see how long we've gone. We can go a little bit more. I'm just going to go ahead and add a few things here. Double click your body in your CSS, and we're going to just set a few things, okay? So we're going to have, we want to put your padding to 0, and again to 0 margin, okay? That way anything we put in here will be at the direct top. So if I can show you right now, assets, images, which is BB header. I'm just going to drag this in. Alright. As you can see, it goes straight to the top. There's no blank spaces, but we don't want that in just yet. We're going to get to that in the next tutorial. So I'm just going to end this tutorial right now. This is a quick way on how to insert your background image and center it all up. The next tutorial will be adding our header and our footer, and actually next tutorial I think will be just adding our header and a navigation bar. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you guys watching my next tutorial coming out, and visit the new website. It's dwtut.co.cc. Version 2 is up and running, so check that out. Get a 50% off price coupon for your website order. So thank you guys.